Even as National Investigation Agency NIA started its on-site investigation at the drone bombing location in Koutruk village yesterday, Kuki militants carried out fresh attack at the village last night, creating fear of resurgence of violence in the state, which has seen relatively peace in the past few days. The attack came days after MLAs unanimously called for peace and non-violence during a joint meeting in New Delhi. Kuki militants launched attack towards Koutruk village at around 11 p.m. yesterday, creating panic among villagers. Village volunteers also responded to the attack and exchange of firing continued till 12:30 a.m. Kuki militants then reportedly launched bomb attack. However, security force personnel who were deployed in the area retaliated to the firing, and the cross-firing continued for few hours. No injury or casualty have been reported in the firing incident. It may be mentioned that NIA is probing the involvement of drone bombing in Koutruk and Senjam Chirang area by Kuki militants on September 1st. The use of drone bomb has been a topic of contention, with Manipur police supporting the claim of use of drone bombs while Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi denouncing the claim.